Well, the wind will bring down those temperatures this evening. Meteorologist Carl Lamb is back. And Carl, it was warm today, but that cold weather coming in.
Oh yeah, I mean it is drastically different as we go from today into tomorrow. Temperatures were in the 60s out in northwest Indiana, and it couldn't be more different as we go into tonight. Wind chills are going to be below zero by tomorrow morning. There's just a lot to break down. So let's go over to the maps and show you what we're tracking at this point. And tonight it's the strong winds and also the potential for a flash freeze. Any wet surface out there could ice over, and it could be some black ice. So I would encourage you not to run out the door tomorrow morning. And then we have snow showers from tonight into Monday morning. And then it is the wind chill that's -10 to about 0 as we go into the morning hours and really throughout the entire day. It's not going to be a super comfortable day out there. What's going to kick in just momentarily is the wind advisory at 6 o'clock, and the gusts are up to about 50 miles per hour, possibly even stronger than that too. It's for everybody in Illinois and into northwest Indiana as well. Now, here's Futurecast timing out what to expect. The rain has made an exit. Watch as temperatures plummet, though, as we go into the next couple of hours. We're all going to be into the 30s and then eventually all into the 20s. Here comes some of that snow as we go toward tonight. Now, the accumulations are not super impressive from this, but we will have some higher totals as you get out towards northwestern Indiana. We'll talk about those in just a moment, but still some flurries as we go into tomorrow morning. But look at the temperatures in the teens. Remember, we were in the 50s and 60s for today. So let's talk about those snow totals in terms of what to expect, because we could have about an inch or so as you go further up towards McHenry, Waukegan, Skokie, and out towards DeKalb. But right around town, we're talking about a coating here, and that's generous at best. So certainly more as you get out towards LaPorte and into Michigan, just because of that lake effect snow as we go into the day on Monday. So those winds, they'll be gusting up to about 40 to 50 miles per hour. Look at this. Tonight when you join us at 10, those wind gusts will be in that 30, 40, 50 mile per hour range. And this continues into the overnight too. If you're a light sleeper, it's going to be a noisy night for sure. And then into tomorrow morning, the winds still persist, and then they'll start to back off a little bit. But with winds, they don't just turn off. They are like a dimmer switch at home for you. They slowly crank down, and then as we go into tomorrow evening, that's when things will start to back off for sure. Now, in terms of the wind chills, this is what it will feel like tonight. Into the 30s we go, but watch as all this starts to drop rapidly, so it will feel like the single digits by midnight, and then tomorrow morning those sub-zero wind chills are back, so it's going to feel drastically different again. You'll want all the winter layers you could get, all the winter gear that you have, because you may have put it away last week because it was so mild around Christmas, but it is going to be a completely different feel. And notice that wind chills are still in the single digits and teens as we go through the day on Monday, so not much relief just because of how windy it is. So let's take you to the 7-day forecast. So a lot colder. This looks more like a Chicago 7-day forecast than anything we've had over the last week. For New Year's Eve, we could have some snow showers as we go toward the evening and into early Thursday, but it's cold for sure. And then as we go toward Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, things start to even out a little bit. It's still cold, but it's not nearly as cold as it will be tomorrow, especially when you factor in the wind. So a lot to keep track of, but we'll send back to you, Charlie and Megan.
All right, Carl, I was loving the temperature today. I should have known it was too.